Hey guys, welcome to my living room again. For grammar today, we are going to be looking at common and proper nouns. So, we all know that a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. And we are going to be looking at whether a noun is common or proper. So, a common noun is a person, place, thing, or idea that does not have a specific name or identity. So, this is a book. It's a common noun. Alright? If I name it, it is a specific book. It is Little Women. That is now a proper noun because I'm telling you what book it is. Okay? Same goes for something like this. This is a beach. That's a common noun. Could be any beach. But if I tell you that this beach is Edmonds Beach, well, there you go. Okay, this is now a proper noun because it is telling you the specific identity of that beach. Okay, another example, children. I do not know their names. Okay, they are children. No specific identity. And if I take this picture, this person is me. That is Miss Nestor. That is Miss Nestor's friend Kara. Okay, friend, common noun. Miss Nestor, proper noun. Because I'm giving it a specific identity. So as you're looking through your grammar packet for this week, you're going to have a list of words. And you need to decide whether that is a common or proper noun. Okay, something like street could be any street. It's a common noun. If I say Elm Street, that is now a specific street with a name. So as you go through, decide whether they are common or proper nouns, and if you have any questions, let us know. See you guys later.